Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Shifa. I'm from Algeria. I live now in Egypt. I want you to know that I'm holding a master's degree in English language, especially British literature. My channel is English Today I will present a short video by which you can learn some tips to speak English. Now, first of all, we need to know that there are different ways that people greet each other. Like handshake, hug, and kissing. It depends on people's culture, where they live, and what did they learn, etc. And it is also important to know that these ways is very important to understand other people when they greet us. So our first task today is greeting. As you can see, we have good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We can use these simple and polite situations to greet somebody. We use different expressions depending on the time of the day. In the morning we say good morning, afternoon we say good afternoon, and in the evening, night we say good evening. These expressions or phrases are great for formal situations, but we can also use them naturally with our friends and family. Really, these expressions can be used in any situations. Just as a small remark, we use good night to say goodbye, but we can never use good night to say hello. Even if we are meeting somebody at night, we cannot use it as a greeting. In the first meeting we can say good night. It is we end our talking by good night, bye, like this. We have hi, hello. These are shorter version of good morning, or it is casual to say hi, hello. It's more casual than good morning. We can use it in any situation. We have goodbye, good night, and we have nice to meet you, it is a pleasure to meet you, great to meet you, or it is good to see you again. This is a very polite expression to use the first time that we met somebody. And we have more casual greeting or more casual greeting phrases, such as what's up, how is it going, like this. It is more casual, used between friends or family, etc. Someone close to us, very close to us. We move to the second task. listen to the conversation and practice saying them. As we see at this image, we have group of people trying to know each other. A said, "Hello, my name is Daniel." B, "Hi Daniel, I'm Eva, nice to meet you." C, "Hello, I'm Ben." D, "Hi, I'm Tim." F, "Hello, my name is Sam, nice to meet you." Okay. Practice 1. This is also as dialogue, girl and a boy. It's as you can see, two students or colleagues trying to know each other. So A said, "Hi, my name is Jane. What's your name?" B, "I'm Mohammed." A, "Are you a new student?" B, "Yes, I am. I'm from Algeria. Where are you from?" A, "I'm from Spain." B, "Nice to meet you." A, "Nice to meet you too." Now you need to complete these gaps. As you can see, this small line. If A said, "Good morning," B replies, "Good morning." A, Can imagine what he has to say here in this gap. What is your name? B, "My name is." Where are you from? A, "I'm from." Where do you come from? B, "I come from." A, "Nice to meet you." B, "Nice to meet you too." So you can, depending on the previous practices, we can come back to have clear image about the exercise you have. So this dialogue, you already read it, and second one, you have to complete these gaps and practice too. So it's easy, just simple words. You can do it. Practice 3. In the first image, we have someone is trying to talk to his colleague or someone met in a cafeteria. Said, "What is your name?" She replied, "My name is Amelia." And the second at office, "Are you Mike Wilson?" "Yes, that's right." Second image, the first said, "Are you Harry?" And the second person replied, "No, I'm Hugo." Hugo, or "I am." To make things easier for you, he asked him, "Are you Harry?" And the second one replied, "No, I am Hugo." Complete the conversation with my, you, or your. A, "Hello, I can help you here." A said, "Hello, my name's," this gap we complete with my name is Harry. So you can complete the others, okay? B, "Hi Harry, name is Sandra, nice to meet you." Second one, A, R. Michael. Yes, that's right. What is name? B. Name is Simon Dodds. A. Hi, name's Julia. B. Hello, Julia. Name's Ginny. A. R. Kim Watson? No. Kim Watts. A. What's name? B. Name's Mike. So complete the gaps with my or my, you or your. I will write down in the comments the correction. I can help you, don't worry, it is easy. If you have any question, you write it down in comments and I will answer you one by one. Hope you learn some tips in speaking English. If you need anything, just write it down in the comments. Okay, we end with this. قال صلى الله عليه وسلم: من سلك طريقا يلتمس فيه علما سهل الله له به طريقا إلى الجنة. Whoever takes a path upon which to obtain knowledge, Allah makes the path to paradise easy for him. See you next time, guys. Hope you learn something with me and you learn more and more in the next session or videos. See you, take care, and try to listen to more videos or more songs, movies, to learn speaking English and to make things easier for you. See you guys, good luck, bye bye.